Hello friends, in today's video, I am gonna show you how to change Google Ads bid while running your campaign. So first of all, open your Google Ads account. I am using Android phone, so first let's open it in desktop mode. Now tap on this icon and go to home page. Here is my one of campaign is running right now. So to change bid in running campaign, tap on view campaign. Now tap on this pencil icon. And here is an option edit ad groups. Tap on it. And here is my bid maximum RS2. So I'm gonna change it to RS3. For changing the bid, tap on it. And here you can change easily whatever you want. After typing your desired bid, tap on save. And your bid is successfully saved in running campaign. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Till then, goodbye.